I'm addicted to my phone. I'm saying that before anything else because everything I'm about to tell you means nothing if I say it from a distance. The confession. On the 6th of July, 2026, Meta told a federal court exactly what it built. $1.4 trillion in possible penalties. It's roughly the entire value of the company. The trial starts on the 18th of August in Oakland in front of a judge called Yvonne Gonzalez Rogers. 42 state attorney generals are already in this fight. Over 2,400 lawsuits. Think about that. It's insane. A Santa Fe jury already made Meta pay $375 million in March. A Los Angeles jury made them pay $6 million more in a case about one woman's mental health. This is not one lawsuit. This is reckoning. They knew. Steve Jobs reportedly did not let his own children near the devices he built. Meta's own engineers have spent a decade being asked under oath about infinite scroll and autoplay from slot machines. Think about that. This was not an accident. This was the plan. The plan. What it actually did to you, right, is really important. Dr. Gloria Mark at UC Irvine has measured this for 20 years. Your attention span on a screen was about 2.5 minutes. Today, it is 47 seconds. Not quite as bad as a goldfish, but it's a big leap. Once you're interrupted when you're doing something, it takes 23 minutes and 15 seconds to fully get back to what you were doing. And you do not go straight back. You drift through 2 other things first. Multiply that across your day where your focus went. The line I will not blur. I think social media is evil. I'm not saying the phone in your pocket is evil. I'm not saying that. It's a device, right? Tools do not have morals. People who design tools do, or at least they should do. What I'm saying is this: we, the users, have to take responsibility, not only for our own brains, for the next generation who never knew a world without this pull, the hope. Here is what nobody sells you, because hope does not go viral as fast as fear does. This is reversible. A 2016 study in the journal, I can't quite say this, but I'm going to have a go. Neuropsychopharmacology found that exercise helped restore dopamine receptor availability that had been worn down by compulsive stimulant use. So your brain's reward system respects the same rules whether the trigger is a substance or a notification. So you need to sit with that craving instead of feeding it. It loses power every single time you sit with that craving. That is not a hack. That is training. The same discipline I use on the mat in Tai Chi, sitting inside discomfort until the discomfort stops running the show. Same with any form of exercise, I think, that you enjoy. It's going to remove you from this situation. Stephen, my business partner, wrote something last week about evil not negotiating. I'm not putting Meta product design next to what he was writing about, because that would actually cheapen it. But there is one shared discipline underneath both. Some things you do not bargain with. Next week is the one that actually terrifies me. Make sure you subscribe, and I will drop some links to my Substack and also Monday Influencer, which if you're not a member, you should certainly subscribe to. Thanks for listening. Do share this. Ciao.